Hi, this is Bird from Birds SVGs.com, and today in this video I'll be showing how I put my bird shaped card together. Now these are all the pieces you'll find within the cut file, and I'm starting with my card insert. Although my card base is quite pale, so I could write my message directly inside my card, adding an insert also adds to the weight of the inside, because when you're adding layers to the front of your card it can get heavy and it can sometimes tip over. So adding an insert to your card not only can help with somewhere to write your message, but it can help with the stability. So I'm just going to pop that into place, leaving an even border all around the outside. And then I can start to work on my card front. So I'm starting with the brown layer, adding an even layer of glue around the edge. And then I'll pop that onto the front of my card, again leaving an even border around the outside. Now for the bird's body. Of course my bird is pink. Then I'll just pop that in place. The cat's back to join in. Okay, now I'm going to put my leaf into place. I have a feeling I'm forgetting to put the bird's wing on. I've been asked many times to turn my logo into an SVG. So I know there'll be some people that will be glad that I've finally done it. But of course your bird doesn't have to be pink. You can have it any colour you like. And there's your completed bird shaped card, and you'll find the matching envelope within your download.